All right, my name is Asad Yaqub, and I'm going to start your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Ishrat Noreen.
Okay, and do you work or study?
I'm doing job.
What do you do?
Job.
Okay,
Work.
all right, that's good. So let's take a start. Did you enjoy doing art lessons when you were a child?
Yeah. When I was in child, I like arts, like some pics, and as arts like animals and some another pics structures like.
Okay. Do you ever draw or paint pictures now?
No, no. These days I have no time, so I didn't do like this paints and painting and arts.
When was the last time you went to an art gallery or exhibition?
Since childhood, I think 15 years, 10 years ago, I had doing arts, but no, these days I have no do this like this.
Okay, what kind of pictures do you like having in your home? Or what kind of paintings do you like having in your home?
I like painting, like a flowers painting in my home, and I see same like these pictures in my home anytime, flowers and uh, toys. No, no, sorry, and painting also.
Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. It's basically describe a time when you visited a friend or family member at their workplace. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Um, previous some days before I went to go a school. There's my cousin study there, and my elder sister also teach there, and it's a good. And this my sister also job there, and I will visit this person's, and we will go to we were goes to for meet them, and for some something yes, no, this person please. And when he because my cousin is too much small, and he don't want to go there, so we just go for the sorry for a question.
All right, thank you. Let's move on to IELTS speaking part 3.
Yes, wrong.
What things make an office comfortable to work in?
Sir, sorry, repeat this question.
What things make an office comfortable to work in?
Comfortable. I think so. Office environment is very. It's mean not noisy. It's a very clean and environment like a. It's mean ke you just feel better than you work do in the when you work in office, and do not disturb anyone to in
Okay,
office.
why do some people prefer to work outdoors?
Outdoors. Some people's. Sorry.
Do you agree that the building people work in is more important than the colleagues they work with?
Sorry, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
Sir.
That's the end of your IELTS speaking
Sir,
test.
two days.
Don't worry. Listen, in part one, your answers were short,
Yes, sir.
and you don't have basic understanding of grammar.
Yes, sir.
You don't know. Whatever comes, you just say that and all that. Didn't and do and all that. You don't know where to use them properly. So the first thing is grammar, the basic sentence structure. That is what you need to focus, right? In your speaking part two, and by the way, throughout your IELTS test, you are lacking information. You
Yes,
don't know
maybe,
how to
sir.
answer the question. So you should have some ideas to elaborate your points, and you should have some understanding. If they ask me this question, I will say that and all that. In part two also, the mistakes like sister
sir.
teach there. You should have said, because this is past tense, my sister used to teach there,
Yes.
right? Then there was this point, you took several pauses, and then you said, he don't want. With he, we use doesn't. He doesn't want.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you said, we go for that. It should have been we went. And in part three, you failed to answer the questions properly.
sir.
So, I mean, this is going to bring you very low band score. I'll not say anything about it, okay? So you have to
Today,
be
sir, I
careful
have
next
to
time.
use,
Yeah.
I don't know why.
All right. Thank you.